I will say that when I asked Miss Berger to choreograph an opening number, but include Justin and Tom because they were graduating and they've been taking tap for as long as they did, I said, just as though I don't have to tap because I couldn't keep up with those guys. They're really amazing, and I just really appreciate the fact that they were willing to do a number with me. Miss Berger, of course, is a pro. So our next number is Aeroplane Over the Sea with David Beckenhaupt. You've heard before on ukulele. I think he's actually our first ukuleleist. Is that a term? I don't know. And Jack Hu and Scarlett.